Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2006 Honda CBR600F4i. This bike is in beautiful shape. It's a beautiful metallic blue with black accent. Fuel injection, 600 cc's, liquid cooled. Really comfortable sport bike. Great for commuting, great for sport riding around the bay. This one's got some cool upgrades, including a blacked out zero gravity windscreen, flush mount turn signals, a great sounding Yoshimura exhaust system, fender eliminator. Come by, check it out. We have financing available. We have extended service contracts. Make your middleweight sport bike dreams come true right here at Contra Costa Powersports. We're going to fire it up so you can see how she sounds. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.